Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You will need 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Also, grab a non-stick pan, a spatula, and a small bowl. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious outcome every time. Now, let's start cooking. Crack your 2 eggs into the small bowl and whisk them gently for about 30 seconds until just combined. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is shimmering, pour in the egg mixture. Let it sit undisturbed for about 15 seconds to begin setting around the edges. Continue to gently push and fold the eggs from the edges towards the center using your spatula. Do this for about 1 to 2 minutes. The key is to remove the pan from the heat when the eggs are still slightly moist and soft, as they will continue to cook from residual heat. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper, then serve immediately. Here are a few tips for consistently delicious eggs. Remember, never overcook them. That residual heat is your friend. For an even creamier texture, try adding 1 tablespoon of milk or cream to your eggs before whisking. Feel free to experiment with fresh herbs like chives or a sprinkle of cheese. Enjoy your perfectly fluffy, easy-to-make eggs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.